Hello there, and welcome to this video showing you how to present a video without any lag on Google Meet. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome. Safari or Firefox will not work because Google Chrome is what has the permissions to display video this way. Open up Google Chrome. Once you've opened Google Chrome, all you'll need to do is go to the top bar and search meet.google.com and click enter on the keyboard. As you'll see here, I can now create a new meeting, schedule a meeting in calendar, create a meeting for later, or enter a code and then join. Another way you can go into Google Meet is by clicking these 9 dots up here and then scrolling down and clicking Meet. This will direct you to the same spot. Now, to use Google Meet, you'll need a Google account. So, you'll have to sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then you can go into the search bar and search up Make a Google Account. You can click the first link and click For Myself or To Manage a Business. I'm going to choose For Myself for now. Here you can just easily create your Google account by inserting some information about yourself. Once you've done so, come back to this tutorial. Alright, so I'm back in Google Meet now. Alright, so we're in the Meet now. And so let's pretend that we want to show a video. So all we need to do is go into youtube.com and you can just search up a video. So cats. So I don't really know, maybe, you want to watch this cat video. Alright, so once you've opened a video and you've chosen the video that you'd like to use, you can go back to your Meet, and then once you've joined into it, all you'll need to do is just click Present Now and then click a tab. Now, as you'll see below, it says Best for Video and Animation. So all you need to do is click that and then tap the tab that you'd like to present. So I'm going to click Share here. And as you can see, it's showing me that it's sharing. It says it's sharing this tab. And all I need to do is put it in full screen.
Products
and
will
if I
make
want
you
to
more
play
money
the video,
if you sold them on Amazon. Product A, this gorgeous.
Then you'll see here, after I've turned off the audio, it's really not lagging at all. So there's no lag. And now that I've paused that video, let's say that I was deciding not to present a tab, you can present your entire screen. And so I'll click that and click Share. Now let's go out of this and pretend we have a second window. Here I'm going to just pin it so you can see me. And then once I start playing the video, you'll see here that it is quite laggy. So let's play the video again.
You'll know that product A sells $9,000 a month.
Now look at this. Look how laggy that is compared to what's going on over here and what's going on over there. So let's stop presenting. Now let's see what would happen if we were trying to present a tab in Safari, for example. So in Safari, let's go to Google Meet and we'll just create an instant meeting once again. Nope, we don't care about that. Create a meet, don't allow, it's fine. And click Join Now. Now, if I want to present something, then you can pull down your window and let's present it. And as you'll see, the only option here is to present your entire screen. So you can't present a window, you can't present a tab, and so that's what would happen in Firefox as well. So that's why you want to use Safari. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave those down in the comments and I'll try to respond as best as I can.